From UC Riverside warns that aggressive immigration enforcement is taking a serious toll on children's mental health. KPBS health reporter Heidi DeMarco says experts are calling it a public health crisis.
Outside Parkdale Lane Elementary in Encinitas on Wednesday morning, a child cries in their mother's arms as federal agents arrest their father. A new UC Riverside report says moments like these can have lasting consequences for children in immigrant and mixed status families.
Anxiety, stress, depression, even senses of hopelessness, mistrust, even suicidality in the course of that distress.
Dr. Lisa Fortuna is a child psychiatrist who co-authored the report. She and her colleagues compiled clinical data and community-based trauma research on children across the country from infants to teenagers. They found infants regressing and not sleeping or eating well, grade schoolers struggling to focus in class, and teens thinking about,
what would they do if they were separated from their parents? Are they going to have to take a parental role? And really sort of having a lot of distress and a lot more awareness.
At San Diego Unified's Newcomer Welcome Center, school counselor JuanCarlos Nieblaz sees it firsthand.
I do feel there is an increase in stress and anxiety, and I feel a lot of it has to do with social media, what they see and they view online.
Nieblaz works directly with students, connecting them with resources.
We are in collaboration with agencies in the community and in the school where students can receive services, whether it be mental health or housing or, just simply seeking Medi-Cal.
Dr. Fortuna says these collaborations are crucial.
What families are having to do is, if they're working with a counselor or if they're working with schools, setting up plans. If we were separated, if something did happen, who would take care of you? What would happen? What would be our next step?
She says those conversations may be hard, but avoiding them can be worse. Without support, the long-term effects can include PTSD. For Nieblaz, who grew up in San Diego with immigrant roots, supporting students feels personal.
I see myself a lot in these students and their families, and I can understand their stories and I can connect with them because I've had similar experiences.
Even amid uncertainty, he says students are finding strength in each other and building their own networks of support.
A lot of the students are in groups, so they walk together, or they're in community a lot of the times. They communicate with each other. They protect each other.
Both Fortuna and Nieblaz agree children can't be shielded from fear. But with teachers, families, and communities working together, they can be supported through it. Heidi DeMarco, KPBS News.